How to fix Instagram photo access on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram photo access on Android phone. First, on Android or iOS. First go to Play Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found here update, just click on it, and now go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, and then click apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, click force stop, and then go to storage and clear cache, then go to permissions, and here make sure storage is allowed. You will find it like that, then click storage and click allow, and that's it. Now restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.